Presenting the E4K Plus action camera. They call us the GoPro Killer. The Sony IMX377 image sensor combined with the Ambarella H2 chipset provides excellent image quality. It can capture phenomenal 4K at 60 frames per second, making it the world's first action camera to shoot 4K 60 FPS. The 155-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world, and the 2.2-inch Gorilla Glass LCD touchscreen is ultra-responsive with a highly intuitive user interface, so previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is smooth and effortless. Electronic image stabilization at 4K 30 FPS steadies the action, and live streaming lets you share your world. You can even capture 12 megapixel still images and so much more. The E4K Plus includes a rechargeable lithium battery and a USB Type-C cable. Just add a micro SD card. The E4K Plus, from the new leader in action cameras.
Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters phase track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, ActiveTrack is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Nemo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story Mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.